Alvaric's family is a criminal or a mafia?
Play. Iya, dipungut.
Not a part of us. Take lanjut.
And who the fuck is that?
Yang ketahuan
Hey,
mantep jiwa.
Tapi yang nemuin Blade itu Excel.
Do you want chicken and a can of coke, man?
Wah, Yuroni.
wait, no, it's.
Kalau scoutnya siapa ya?
Duk gitu kayak deg banget ya.
Have you ever heard? Hello guys,
Hey guys.
welcome to Tobrut. So today I'm gonna What is interrogasi
Interogasi.
in English?
Oh, lu bikin gua lupa lagi. Interrogate.
Interrogate Ormis here with Devon Alveric.
Sekarang gua yang diinterogasi.
Yes.
Gua interogasi dia.
Oke, kita lanjut ngobrol.
Bye. Bye lagi.
No bye. Next question is, Alvaric's family is a criminal or a mafia?
Definitely not mafia. Kayak aku pernah dengar banyak orang, mafia. Mafia tuh kayak, yang aku lihat mafia ya, I think definisi mafia itu kayak criminal, not family. Seberapa family, seberapa enggak, they like to take in other people. Yang jatuhnya tuh mereka jadi government of that, kayak government yang enggak evil or good. They do what they think is right. That's mafia, right? Kalau kita, I feel like Kasarius is like definitely more towards selfish. Tapi nggak mafia. Kalau mafia tuh ada kontrol yang lebih kuat, ada underground business banget, dan kita punya underground business, tapi nggak yang kayak jatuhnya kata gue nggak ke mafia. Lebih ke keluarga kaya yang punya banyak uang, tapi intentionsnya nggak bagus.
I see.
Corruption.
Corruption. But from a point of view, was Fernandez, Fatah's family.
Yeah.
They were like on the bright side. And
Yeah.
you guys, Alveric was on the dark side.
Opposite, yeah.
Opposite from Fernandez family.
Yeah.
So, jadi kayak both of your family was a business family, but run it on a different way.
Iya, karena mau gimana pun juga, interest kita bakal satu juga. Like, interest kita bisa sama. Dan kalau interest kita sama, why not help each other? Ya, like I said, kita nggak yang full evil banget sampai kita nggak mau temenan sama family yang lain gitu. Tapi ya, at the same time, we wanna do things our way. But kalau ada orang lain yang mungkin mau ngelakuin hal yang sama, atau ada keluarga lain yang mau ngelakuin hal yang sama, kalau kita bisa cari middle ground, why not? Why not? Saling ngebantu, tapi
So you guys
ada benefitnya.
you guys both respect each other, right?
Respect, I don't know, but definitely, alright, if you want to work something together, why not lah? As long as it benefits me and you, and mainly me, but kayak gitu.
Yeah, I get it.
Yang penting gue dapat sesuatu lah, gitu.
Your first impression for getting this character.
My first impression.
What was it? Sorry. I have to check my phone.
Don't worry about it.
I have to check. Balas chat bentar ya.
Siapa?
Saudara gua.
Oke, lanjut. Tadi apa ya pertanyaannya?
First impression gue.
Yeah, first impression.
My first impression with my character.
Karena before this project, you were on the pesantren, right? And then you get this character.
Yeah.
It's different. The difference is 180, like
Almost 180. I'd say
Yeah,
like
almost.
80.
80?
80 because like dulu sebelumnya aku di sana aku udah ada keluarga yang kaya, aku juga lumayan antagonis atau lebih tepatnya karakter yang broken lah karena disalahin dengan ibuku sendiri sama orang-orang lain, dan aku udah ada kayak rasa taste of the
pain.
mean kayak dark person ya. Tapi Kalau ini yang aku suka tuh kayak ada motif yang lebih jelas dan udah clear what my character is. Udah tahu gue di keluarga yang kayak gini, gue apa kayak kakak-kakak gue kayak gini, connection gue sama orang ini kayak gimana. Jadi kayak my first impression was my first impression kayak damn ini karakternya keren banget. Aku pengen orang kayak kaget aku memain karakter ini kayak gimana. Like okay, that guy fits this character banget. And I think it's like that. I think it's fair enough. Ya walaupun pertama-tama langsung misterius, tapi akhirnya karakter aku lebih kebuka, yang lebih ketengil ke Matthew ini, si Matthew yang, you know, yes.
Yeah. So between you guys, who's the youngest? You're the youngest, right?
Yeah, it seems so. Kelihatannya gitu.
Is it you, Blade, Matthew, and then Axel? Isn't it?
Me, I think so. Yeah, me,
Yeah.
Blade, Matthew, and Axel. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think it's me, Blade, Axel, and then Matthew.
Oh,
I think. I'm not sure. Aku aja
Matthew is the
sendiri-
oldest one?
I think so. Kayaknya kayak gitu deh. Lihat aja dia, maksudnya dia yang kayak very, you know,
Cold person.
cold suited, paling yang kelihatannya quote unquote wise.
Yeah.
Padahal dia juga nggak yang wise banget, in my personal opinion. Tapi ya.
Okay. Why does Axel don't want to involve with you guys with the dirty business or dirty work or maybe whatever you want to call it?
Yeah.
Why?
Dirty work kan? Because mungkin seorang Axel ngerasa kalau kerjaan ini tuh kayak nggak dengan moral dia lah. Doesn't make sense, kayak wow, my family kayak gini, gue nggak mau kayak gini. Ya udah gue lanjutin hidup gue dengan cara yang lain dah. Ya of course Oma is very mad about that. Dia Oma nggak suka banget Axel yang kayak ngomong pelangap-pelangap gitu ya. Whatever. Intinya Axel pengen hidup dia dengan cara yang dia mau. Fine, you know, whatever.
And Axel is have interested on Rose, right?
Yeah,
Isn't it illegal, bro? To like
No.
the family, your own family member?
No, it's different.
Oh, that's different.
It's like,
Bye
bye.
bye. See you.
It's like distant cousin. It's like super distant cousin. Yang kayak hampir udah kayak, ya mungkin ada blood related sedikit, tapi I feel like aman lah. Whatever.
Yo, you guys were long distance cousin?
Yeah, kind of like that. Something like that. Distant intinya.
Like how far?
Far enough lah untuk for you to marry. It's fine.
Goddamn, bro.
Itu adalah nasib yang udah di-plan sejak kelahirannya mereka. Jadi kayak mau gimana pun itu it's inevitable.
Oh, aku pernah dengar Oma is the second wife of Alvarix, right?
Maybe I think so. I'm not the one yang.
That's why she became greedy of the
course.
harta and stuff.
Yeah, of course hartanya itu. I mean like dia intinya pengen semuanya ke dia dan keluarga dia, dan orang yang nggak mau say dengan dia ya udah bodo amat. Lu nggak usah dengan harta gue, ya bodo amat.
Satu lagi.
Ya, thank you. Apa ini? Duluan aja nggak apa-apa.
Hey man, don't worry about it.
And then, oh nasi padang man.
Oh nice.
If you can choose someone to play the role of Alvarix, who will be?
Oh, maksudnya gimana nih?
Kayak kalau lu bisa milih, menurut lu siapa yang cocok jadi Alvarix?
Dalam
The legend himself, Alvarix gitu.
Oke, keluarga aku.
Yeah.
Oh,
Siapa yang menurut lu
Siapa,
paling
Pak?
fit artis Indonesia?
artis Indonesia. Oh, so
Yes.
anyone. Well,
Shit. Sleep well, Fata Fernandez.
well before Michael datang, I would say it's Michael. Before ada Axel, gue bilangnya sih sebelumnya, but I think Axel paling cocok juga. Tapi karena Axel akhirnya juga udah keluarga kita. Siapa ya? I think personally, there's this dude namanya Fenley.
Friendly?
Yeah, I don't know his last name though.
Friendly.
Aku pernah satu
I think I've heard
project
it.
sama dia. He's like he's a bit.
Name.
Tapi actually no, I changed my mind because he's a bit Asian. He's more Asian. Hanya,
No, I mean is to became kan Alferic ceritanya udah meninggal apa gimana sih?
I don't know.
Maksudnya
Opanya udah meninggal.
Oh, udah
Adanya itu
meninggal.
Mohan kan kalau nggak salah. Mohan is Alferic. Mohan is Alferic.
Ya, tapi kalau what if Opa is still alive?
Oh, the Opa.
The Opa.
The Opa. Oh my god, that's such a good question. Oh wow. I don't know many Indonesian artists, I'm gonna be honest. Tapi it has to be orang yang kayak gimana ya? Kalau Oma Dominic has a very strong face ya.
Ya,
Oma
strong
Dominic
face.
mukanya tajam banget. Opa kelihatannya tuh kayak yang kurasa ya, bukan yang paling galak tapi kayak Chad gitu.
Come here.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Yeah guys, guess who's here?
Come here.
So yang dari tadi aku
Sini sambil makan
ngomongin,
nggak apa-apa.
yang dari tadi gua
So,
mention,
This is the dumbest of the Alveric's family.
yeah,
Matthew Alveric.
Yes,
Wait,
sir.
Let me atur the camera.
the legend himself.
Dari tadi kita lagi ngobrol about Alveric.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where have you been? Shooting? Terus apa?
Beli makan.
Oh ya, udah selesai tapi di sana.
Udah.
Udah rilis.
Belum.
So
Udah wes. Ada skenario baru.
gue lagi nanya ke siapa? Who you? Devon.
Yes.
Kalau if Opa is still alive, Opa Alveric, who will be fit in the character? Indonesian artist, actor.
Opa. Dia paling tahu sih.
Yeah, I know you know much about Indonesian artist, actor.
Aduh, siapa lagi nama dia tuh?
Awalnya gue mau jawab Tio, Om Tio Pakusudewo. Tapi muka dia Indo banget.
Oh ya?
Dia bilang.
Iya. Tapi kayak his acting is
Top notch.
wow.
Oke.
But the faces is so Indo.
Iya sih.
Sedangkan kalian most of you guys are bule.
Nah.
Siapa ya, Ci?
Siapa ya Ci?
Cuy.
Oh. Kira yang ngomong. Benar ini.
Ada kayak aktor gitu. Dia tuh sering kayak udah putih gitu loh, kayak jenggotnya putih, rambutnya udah putih.
Siapa namanya?
Udah berumur juga,
Oh,
bapak-bapak
I think
gitu.
yang main ini bukan apa orang kaya baru. Siapa namanya itu? Lupa lagi.
Orang kaya baru pemain.
Yes.
Lukman Sardi.
Iya.
Ada deh kayak lumayan tinggi gede gitu. Bruh, I don't remember. Gue nggak ingat.
Dia
pokoknya.
pernah main film horor itu nggak yang pernah di
Kayaknya pernah deh main.
yang soal sekolah.
Which is like banyak.
Oke, yang dia pakai tongkat.
Banyak banget ya.
Yang dia pakai tongkat, terus kakinya dia floating. Tahu nggak yang kayak jadi di sekolah tuh kayak anak-anak ini tuh lihat ke bawah untuk ambil pensil dan dia lihat kaki setan ini.
Dosen gaib.
Iya.
Oh, no bro. Wah. Pengabdi setan. Yang jadi itunya. Iya man. It's him.
Yang jadi bapaknya.
Ya, guys, sambil makan nggak apa-apa. Sumpah. Nggak apa. Nggak, tapi emang.
Bukain dong, bukain lo.
Fuck you man.
Thank you, Obe.
Tapi ini emang serius sesantai itu. Kalian gue juga pengen makan nih soalnya. Ayo, makan bareng. Sambil ngobrol.
Yuk. Aduh, gue nggak inget siapa namanya man. Nggak inget gue namanya siapa. Adalah pokoknya dia lumayan, dia udah mature gitu lah. Pokoknya udah tua, putih-putih gitu kan.
Nice.
Terus kalau juga jadi bapak.
Oke.
Bapak-bapak tapi oto kakek-kakek.
Bapak yang berumur aja.
I see.
Tadi kata Devon, halo, selamat makan. Kata Devon, you are the dumbest one.
No, I didn't say it like that. I didn't say, oh, Matthew goblok, nggak gitu.
That's hilarious, Devin.
No, I didn't say it like that. I was just explaining. I was just,
That's
gua.
hilarious.
That's hilarious.
I like it.
No, wait.
Family internal.
Mama aja nggak ngakuin lu, Tot.
Oke.
Yo.
Wow.
Wow.
You guys hear this? Alright. You guys hear this? Alright. Aku yang jelasin aja. Yang kita udah lihat di selama episode ini ya. Devon, kamu boleh nggak urusin ini untuk aku? Oke, aman. Besok apa? Udah kelar.
Yeah, cause you're my pet.
Oke, your pet. Yaudah bodo amat.
Yeah.
Whatever. Gue yang paling kecil, gue tahu.
Yeah, exactly.
Tapi guess what? Abis satu masalah, 2 masalah, 3 masalah, 4 masalah, 5 masalah, semua udah kelar karena gue.
Sure.
Lu pikir lu ada di situasi ini, di posisi ini karena lu diri sendiri aja? Ya karena gue anjay.
Family business, guys. Family business.
Bro.
Enggak. Itu juga kan gue yang ngajarin, gue ngasih tahu. Yeah.
Oh ya,
Bruh.
sama ini. Tadi
Gue pas kecil digebukin sama lu.
kita
Stupid.
tadi gue nanya, you and Axel, who's the older one?
Me.
You?
yeah.
So you're the firstborn? Damn.
Stormborn.
Born.
Like usual, you know, the firstborn usually is the biggest disappointment.
And
This is the biggest
Blade
disappointment, really.
is
Learn to speak.
ini kan, anak angkat kan? Blade
Blade.
itu? Ah.
Iya. Dipungut.
Not a part of us. Take anjir.
And who the fuck is that?
Yang ketahuan
Hey.
mantep jiwa.
Tapi yang nemuin Blade itu Axel.
Oh iya.
Bukan mama, bukan mama.
Makanya beliau tuh yang paling
Kayak ada plot twist.
Emang ada?
Damn.
Makanya kalian nonton aja.
And I knew it.
nonton setiap hari.
Apa? Enggak sih. Nggak ada yang tahu kalian.
I knew it. The
No,
plot twist is
not in the show.
Not about that.
about
In the bigger picture.
Did I accidentally
No.
spoil it?
no. I know it, bro. Is it? Kalian tuh yang bikin
Mau.
You know.
sinetron ini
Iyalah.
nggak flat.
Ya iyalah.
Thank you guys.
Kali kagak.
Thank you for support.
I have confidence. Sambil makan, Matt.
Gue mau ke toilet dulu.
Tahu nggak? Hari gue datang, rating Mark News.
Enggak sih. Enggak sih.
Apa kedua?
Wow.
Enggak sih.
Hari gue datang, rating wow.
Enggak sih.
Wow.
Dari lu sebelum datang kita udah bagus-bagus aja.
No. Wait.
You just.
Lo datang aja belum tayang, cuy.
Alright.
Oh, Ramjek.
Hello, Rams.
Apa namanya? Ini buat Matthew.
Belum pada balik.
Belum. Saya itu my YouTube. Tuh.
Hai.
Nah, ini Rama. Salah satu orang yang takut dengan Alverik.
Oh ya?
Ya kan waktu itu ayah anak buahnya dia yang berurusan sama siapa? You or you?
Devon.
Blade.
Blade. Damn. Where is she?
I don't know. Where is she? I haven't seen her. Belum ketemu gue.
Haven't seen her.
Bukan
Ya,
yang
tapi
tag
kayaknya
bareng
tempat beda
kalian.
deh.
Oh,
Tadi gue
god
mau.
damn. Apa? Makan, Matt. Gak enak nih lu ngeliatin kita makan.
Gue mau ke toilet dulu ya.
Yaudah, toilet lah. Ntar kita lanjut tanya-tanya. Sambil maem.
Yoi.
Kalau ngeliat karakter kita anak-anak SMA,
Ya.
who's your favorite?
My favorite. Anak SMA.
Yeah.
Bukan. I don't think I can pick one.
Yeah,
Tapi
geng,
aku
geng,
paling-
geng.
Oh, gang. I think Gaspol.
Oh, gila. Why?
Yeah. No, I like aku tuh sukanya karena chemistry-nya di show bagus, chemistry di real life bagus, dan di social media juga bagus banget. Semua interconnected gitu. So that's why I like it. Rasanya kayak Gospel feels very real. It doesn't feel like fake. It doesn't feel like acting. It doesn't feel like, it just feels asli. Rasanya asli banget. That's my favorite scene, man. Tapi aku kalau chemistry di show ini, I'm gonna be honest, aku paling suka Adit dan ibunya.
Iya,
Lucu
just
banget. Kemarin pas ke Kendal ada mereka, wow,
Wow.
beautiful. I love their chemistry. It's so cute.
How about you, Matt?
Me?
Yeah, your favorite high school character here.
High school character.
Cuk, sendokku
Patah.
sebelah dua, Cuk.
Wush.
Jadi kali, Ci.
Kayaknya favorit gue ini dah. Catalina.
No, high school character kan? School kan?
High school.
Sekolah tuh.
Iya.
Noel.
Noel? Why?
Lucu aja. Kocak.
What about the gang?
Oh, the gang?
Play Green. I like Go Green as well, by the way. Go Green lucu banget juga.
I like Your Gang. Apa namanya?
Gaspol.
Gaspol.
Why?
Seru, karena kocak-kocak, lucu-lucu. Jadi kayak seru nonton.
Tuh dia guys.
Jadi seru nontonnya. Oh yeah. I like it.
Kadang
Kamu
kita
kan
tuh
interaksi sama Gaspol?
kayak patah deh ini loh. Apa? Karakter keren dulu di depan kita. Nggak jadi keren-kerennya di depan kita.
Wow.
Hancur.
It's okay lah.
Nah kita kadang tuh bercanda-bercandanya keluar itu spontan aja.
Iya, iya.
Ini kayak
Terus kalian kayak paling banyak ini nggak sih boleh improv gitu?
oh yeah
Terus
man.
sering dimasukin.
It's a privilege to us karena kalau kita salah ngomong itu nggak perlu cut.
Iya.
Tinggal bikas di mata penonton itu emang udah
Make sense ya?
kayak bodoh gitu, tolol gitu. Tapi itulah yang membuat kita bersatu karena ketololan kita.
Matthew, I just want to say, do you see any stains in my shirt?
Not anymore.
You know what I use?
Pakai apa?
Not acetone.
Pakai apa?
Just regular old Bakelin.
Oh, stupid.
Bakelin yang pure ya, taruh di atas aja. Use like a really clean wipe. That's it, hilang.
Okay. I don't care, but okay.
Yeah, I'm just saying you're not getting your relic spot.
Alright.
I did use acetone dan now.
Gue udah bener-bener lupa juga sih sama research shirt.
Ya wes. Spend another 80k.
Apa? Buntu nih gua nih. Nanya apa lagi ya? Oh ini.
Apa?
Oh kalian kalau mau nanya juga boleh ya. Ini gue dulu. Your first impression of your character.
Oh, my character.
Pertanyaan yang lumayan oke.
If I remember, gue baru tau banget karakter gue tuh pas hari H syuting. Kayak pembawaannya gimana gitu kan. Terus pas hari H itu sama kayak pokoknya adegan hari H selesai gitu kan. Adegan karakter gue berikutnya itu beda cuy.
Oh iya.
Iya sih.
Agak
Aku
beda
liatnya
gitu,
kayak
iya.
gitu ya.
Karena yang pertama tuh gue masih lebih kayak
Olive.
talkative, lebih chill gitu loh. Lebih chill yang kayak agak-agak kayak
A bit of a dickhead.
nyebelin gitu.
Yeah, a bit of a
Iya.
dickhead.
Tapi nyebelinnya yang kayak selengean gitu loh.
Yeah, like me.
Dan
But more.
Berubah makin serius.
Yeah, I see that. Aku malah terbalik. Aku rasa kayak pertama kali aku syuting.
Serius.
Oh, yeah, like very serious. Muka aku kan dibilang serius, jangan ngomong. Kelihatannya harus serius kayak jangan ada kayak nyantainya gitu kan. Dibilangnya kayak gitu. Until akhirnya intinya pas kita udah di luar pensi sih, baru karakter aku ganti ke yang itu. Which I'm so fine with it. I like being a dickhead to these. You know.
kalian udah pernah ngobrol sama ibu belum in person?
Udah.
Udah dong.
Sering?
Ya, lumayan.
Apalagi dulu pas rumah Alferi, kamu masih beda?
Iya.
Oh ibu sering sana ya? Ya.
Wow.
Talk with him.
Shuffle.
Yes. It's so fun, man. Will, say hi to the vlog.
Hah?
Will, say hi to the... Hi.
Vlog.
Hai, Vlog.
Yes. What is that, bro?
Steak ayam.
Can I try?
Iya. Aduh. Steak ayam rakyat.
Where'd you get it?
Yeah, where is it though?
Where'd you get it?
Lewatin Mall Ciputra, muter balik.
Oh, what? There. Tapi di
OMG.
pinggir jalan.
Ya.
OMG.
Itu kan bukan steak ayam rakyat, dia kayak bener-bener di pinggir jalan gitu. Sebelahan sama Travel Belly.
Deket, yang deket itu nggak? Migacuan.
Enggak cuy, masih lurus lagi, muter balik. Berarti sebelum Mie Gacuan.
Oh, I see.
Enak kan cuy? Salah ya.
Udah,
That looks really. How much is one?
Ini yang paha 25k.
Anjay, lumayan juga ya.
Enak.
Wait, I forgot which one's mine.
Udah lama lagi nggak denger dia bilangin.
Yep, this is one. Wait, what did you have? What's yours?
Hibiscus.
Oh, okay. Aku nggak hibiscus ya. I think this is one. This one's yours. Aku ini man.
Mentos apa dia ya?
Ini bukan mentol, ini ulang.
Ulang.
Ulang
Ulang so good.
Enak banget.
This
ya.
one kayak ulang, tapi aku kurang suka karena nggak ada mint-mintnya ulang gitu.
Apa sih emang rasanya?
Hah?
Rasanya apa?
Yang lu bilang katanya kurang ada rasa.
Yeah, what's the name?
It's like Longxing, Xingshai, Shongman Shai,
Showan Chai Chinese type shit.
Something Chinese.
Alright.
Litway.
You blasteran mana? Blasteran mana?
Take some millions, huh?
Blasteran mana?
Aku?
Ah.
Banyak banget, cuy. Brazil,
The-
Belanda.
6. Or the major one.
Brazil Belanda ya?
That's the biggest one.
So you don't have Indo's blood in
I do.
in your vein?
I do. Indo? Okay, so my mom's side, my grandma is Belgium, half Dutch. My grandpa is Indonesian, half Dutch, which makes my mom half Belgian, half Indonesian, and half Dutch. And she married with my grandpa, with my
the
dad. No, with my dad. That's Brazil and Italian and something else. Wait, Indonesian, Belgium, Dutch, Italian, Brazil.
It is fun.
Huh? That's 5. Ada satu lagi, but I forgot what it is. But it's something.
How about you, Matt?
So, my dad itu keturunan Scottish Irish. Cuma dia lahirnya di Australia. So technically he's Australian.
Alright.
My mom orang Kalimantan. Yes sir.
Nah,
Dia
jadinya
pada
ini.
WhatsApp.
Jadinya ini is most Australian face of all time.
Nah.
Not really.
Australia.
I take it back. You look more. How do you look?
Can you do Australian accent?
No.
No.
Nar.
No.
I can't do an Australian accent.
No, Australian accent.
I'm from a bit west. What do you mean?
How about Scottish?
It's so hard. I don't understand.
It
a thing
is
they're
so
saying. I
hard.
don't understand a thing they're saying.
I don't know if it's Scottish or
For my
Irish.
opinion, the hardest accent is Scottish and Liverpool, man.
From Liverpool.
Yeah, Liverpool.
Liverpool.
So fucking hard.
It's not that hard.
Is it chicken kind of coke?
Chicken and can of coke.
Chicken and kind of coke? Yeah, they talk like that.
Do you want chicken and a can of coke, man?
What are you doing?
Wait, no, it's
Kalau Scottish apa ya? Gitu kayak dik banget ya.
have you ever heard McGregor talking?
McGregor. Conor
dia Irish ya, bukan Scottish ya?
Irishman. He's an Irishman.
He's Irish.
He's talking in Irish.
Irishman in New York.
Oh, berarti iya beda ya.
I'm an
Scottish.
Irishman in New York. That's not. I don't think that's even Irish. The one I just said. I want the Jamaican accent out there is the best now.
No.
The Jamaican accent, man. You ever go to the zoo?
Cancel.
You go to the zoo
Cancelled.
and you
Cancel.
you fuck the monkey.
You fuck the
You
monkey.
fuck the monkey.
Bomboklad.
Bomboklad, man.
Bomboklad, man. Bro, I need water.
Bruh, I need a water.
I need water.
Just read it anyway.
I'm sorry. No, I'm not racist.
Yes, you are.
It's not racist.
Yes, you are.
It's stereotypical.
It's playing with accents, not racist.
Yeah, man. It's true.
Jadi kalian lahir di sini? Kalian lahir di sini semua?
Yes, sir.
Lahir di mana? Lahir di mana?
Brawijaya. Pondok Indah.
Rumah sakit Brawijaya.
Hah?
Rumah sakit Brawijaya.
Iya.
Just say Pondok Indah, don't Brawijaya.
Brawijaya. Unit 119.
How about you, Matt?
Lahirnya
Ya.
di Palangkaraya, Kalimantan Tengah.
Palangkaraya.
Anjay. Why?
Tol Kalimantan. Tol Kalimantan.
Tol Kalimantan.
Ya. Jadi itu Melayu ya?
Enggak coy.
Mereka tuh bukan.
Dayak.
Ya, Melayu, maksudnya bahasanya Melayu kan? Emang bukan ya?
Jadi iya, jadi kalau misalnya gue di Kalimantan Tengah tuh Dayak Ngaju. Kalau kayak Banjar tuh bahasa Banjar, bukan bahasa gue. beda lagi.
Oh, beda-beda.
Beda-beda.
Yang Melayu tuh apa ya?
Kayaknya yang ke atas itu yang udah deket-deket border gitu.
Coba little bit.
Little bit.
For example, you're hungry, you want to eat, and you ask for food.
Aku blau, yuk. Ikut kayak pengen aja.
Loh.
Aku blau, yuk. Ikut kayak pengen aja. Belum bang.
Oh, I see. Unique. Say hi to my vlog.
Oh, Tabret Lovers.
Anjay, Tabret Lovers.
Welcome to my
Yes. Yes. So your mom, your dad ya yang ada Indonya.
My mom,
Your mom, Jakarta, Betawi, Betawi asli. God damn.
yes sir.
Oh yang orang Bali tuh Bled ya? Bled yang lama di Bali ya?
Dia
Tinggal di Bali ya?
Dia tinggalnya di Bali, tapi dia campuran Belanda sama satu lagi apa ya? Malang.
Oh, dia wong Jawa.
Singaon Jawa
Malang.
Nah kalian kalau mau dapat peran, kalian mau dapat peran apa?
Peran. Mau jadi peran zaman-zaman
Good morning princess.
waktu Indonesia masih dijajah Belanda.
Oh you want to be the
Lo mau jadi penjajahnya?
Enggak.
Ya jelas lu bakal jadi penjajahnya.
Enggak jadi ceritanya gue kayak anak campuran.
Anjay, I already guessed it, man. Jadi
So
itu
you
lucu sih.
the royal family kind of type shit, right?
And then I fall in love with this like supposedly Indonesian girl.
Iya, pribumi.
Ya, biasa. Ya. Kalau aku
Kayak ini gak sih filmnya Mawar sama Iqbal apa namanya?
oh,
Bumi manusia.
Ya Bumi Manusia. Itu kayak gitu gak sih ceritanya?
Kayak gitu.
Kan?
iya.
Mawar is mixed with Dutch and Iqbal is
Pure Indonesian.
her servant, right? Iqbal tuh pelayannya dia gak sih?
Temen
Oh temen.
kakak emang gak salah.
Iya.
Mas Hanung Bramantio, tonton.
wow,
Mas Hanung.
nice plug.
Nice. How about you?
Me, aku pengen role yang very serious, something like a job yang kayak maybe like a detective. I wanna say like a detective, but someone yang a bit more like someone that's very carefree, not carefree, but doesn't give a shit. Kayak gimana ya?
Kayak
Dia pikirin soal kerjaannya
a
dia.
special agent, like that?
Not really special agent. Kayak dia fokus banget ke kerjaan dia. Dia agak anjing-anjing ke orang lain, tapi dengan cara yang agak bodo amat lah. I don't give a shit, like that, something like that.
Sama gue juga tertarik kalau Indonesia misalkan buat series atau kayak sinetron ya kayak Grease.
bro, it's a mic. You better put it.
Oh my bad, I forgot.
Sama gue juga tertarik kalau misalkan kayak Indo ada yang buat sinetron atau series yang kayak Grey's Anatomy gitu.
Apa?
Oh wow.
Gitu. Atau
Grey's
kayak
Anatomy.
Suits yang kayak lawyer.
Ah,
Iya, aku
ya.
suka.
Itu gue tertarik.
Iya. Tapi mana ada sih orang kayak nonton.
Meremehkan.
No,
That's
it's like Law and
crazy.
Order. Mirip aja kayak Law and Order.
Cancelled.
Cancel.
Okay. Law and Order, basically. Law and Order.
No.
Law and Order.
Suits.
Okay.
Tapi Suits susah bikin produksi kayak Suits
Okay,
dijadiin
it's a production.
sinetron. Ya jelas lah, jangan.
Excuse me guys. What is Suits?
Suits itu series tentang lawyers gitu.
Netflix?
Ya,
Kayaknya ada di Netflix deh.
iya ada.
Gue gak nonton Netflix tapi jadi dia tuh kayak ada this one guy. Dia tuh pinter banget.
Photographic memory.
Photographic memory kayak lulusan terbaik Harvard gitu.
God damn.
Tapi he didn't even went to Harvard. Dia cuma ngambil tesnya and it's like top 1. Jadi dia bahkan gak kuliah. Jadi kayak nge-apply ke this law firm gitu. Jadi kayak nantang bosnya gitu. Yeah, I'm gonna be your best lawyer, blah blah.
Siapa yang main?
Jesus Christ.
Some big ass forehead dude.
Big ass forehead?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Short hair.
Apa namanya?
Apparently he has a 9-inch penis.
Short guy too. How would you know that?
How would you?
From the show.
Yeah, that's the question.
From the
How would you
show.
know that?
Dari show-nya
Nggak ada
anjay.
di show-nya guys.
Ada anjay. There was a
Nggak ada.
scene where the girl he was fucking was like the other best friend was like, so how long is his dick? And you don't even know the half of it.
Nggak
If you guys know, you
nggak ada,
know.
guys.
Ya kalau yang nonton tahu ya. Kalau yang nggak nonton ya udah.
Nggak ada guys. Cuma nonton.
Gay.
Damn, nigga.
Yo, language.
Oh my bad.
Language. Kalian ada pertanyaan nggak buat gua?
Apa ya? Kalian waktu awal pemain di casting gitu, dia langsung ketemu semua gitu nggak sih? Atau kayak satu, atau terus pas syuting ketemu semua?
Ya proses castingnya kayak gimana nih?
Proses castingnya itu kita per geng. Ibu gave us 3 days for casting. Day 1 is casting, example Fatah, Mohan, and then like that.
Yeah.
Day 2 is Gaspol and Slay Queen. The last day is Chaos and Go Green.
Go Green.
Gitu. So, jadi kita waktu itu emang nggak sering ketemu sih. Ketemunya itu pas big reading.
Oke.
Kalian ada big reading ya?
Ada.
Ya pasti kayaknya kalau mulai sinetron ada ya.
Yeah, kita big reading and it was really big reading. It was like so wow bro, fantastic. Karena kayak dulu gua pas DJS itu
Kita di DJS.
the original member was only 10 person. But this project,
Dari awal udah rame.
yeah, the original
Kira-kira
member
berapa?
was 20-ish.
Wow.
Kayak geng gue 4. Pokoknya Gaspol sama Chaos itu masing-masing 10 lah, sama Mohan sama Fatah ya. Masing-masing 10. Go Green itu mereka 4. Kan Ciara, Fania, beda-beda geng.
Oh beda ya.
Enggak, Ciara enggak kan dia semangilmu. Fania, Cantika, Flavio 3.
Oh 3, oke.
13 tambah William sama Harry 15 tambah Pop Diva 3
Ya Pop 3.
18 bener nggak? Bener nggak sih?
Iya.
Ya 18 terus Akila Nicole lah pas 20
Wow.
pas 20 orang.
Terus ada parents sama guru-guru.
Iya ada guru-guru.
Oh my god, iya lagi.
And the OG parents was Tante Dia.
Yes.
What?
Nothing.
No, she's my crush too.
Wow, guys.
Yes, I.
What?
She's fine too. She is.
Dio, you're
The moment she came into this room, I can get eyes. I can get off
Clock.
my eyes from her. Clock in, bro. It's like, who the hell is this? It's like that. And then the OG parents tadi kan Tante Dia, terus Om Don Mac,
Don Mac.
Jordan, Om Jordan.
Om Jordan. Oh ya Jordan.
Yeah. They were the OG parents from the beginning. Terus baru tuh ditambah. Terus kita casting itu 3 hari. And Adit. He was supposed to be in my gang.
Yeah.
But karena kita udah rame dan Chaos waktu itu butuh 1 orang. So dia dioper ke sana.
I see.
Jadi pasti berempat-empat.
Right.
Without the kepala geng ya.
Aku agak ketuker Chaos sama Gaspol kadang-kadang. Jadi lu ada siapa aja sih?
Gini, yang ada kembarnya itu Chaos. Udah.
Okay, yeah.
That is the simple one.
Iya.
Itu Chaos.
Dava Diva.
They are Chaos, and
then the
me, the stupid guys.
Tapi di Gaspol.
Itu dia. Dan oh shit, you eat 3 of them?
Yeah.
Hungry man.
Hungry as fuck. Kita dulu tuh punya julukan masing-masing.
Iya, kerba di situ. Karena waktu itu ada ngomongin kan. Ada yang jadi kayak
Nah, Dava Diva itu, saya ingat gua, Dava Diva itu namanya The Twin Mischief.
The Twin Mischief.
Yeah, ada semua so fucking fun.
Kayak karakter komik.
Iya, terus
Wow.
gua itu
Marvelous.
Andrew Mad Scientist ya?
iya, Mad
Oh,
Scientist.
yeah.
Terus gua tuh apa ya? Anjing gua lupa lagi gua nih.
Choji.
Pokoknya Gaspol itu we were the adrenaline junkies.
Adrenaline junkies.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
So
What a
basically,
name.
everything that came from adrenaline itu pasti ada kita.
Iya.
It's us gitu. Makanya
Okay.
dulu tuh kita ceritanya sukanya naik motor cross gitu-gitu, balap. Dedet itu dulu joki balap liar ceritanya.
I see.
Ya, terus
Si balap liar.
ya makanya kita pas masuk asrama mainnya skateboard.
Oh man, I love skateboard man.
So itu kita main skateboard. Terus kalau go green, kan udah tahu kan kita semua tuh punya masalah ceritanya.
Iya.
Tapi
we had our own backstory back then.
Iya.
Dan yang baru kebuka cuma beberapa kan. Nah terus kalau aduh banyak deh pokoknya it was so fun. Big reading terus baru dan kita itu syutingnya satu episode jedanya bisa 6 bulan.
Wow.
3 sampai 6 bulan. Gitu. Jadi kita syuting episode 1, preview, nunggu dulu sebulan, 2 bulan, terus baru episode 2.
Ini bulan berapa sih?
Ini udah kita awal stripping banget, mulai stripping itu nggak Desember
Desember kan?
Desember
Iya.
19.
Iya.
Itu mulai banget stripping sampai sekarang. Nah promonya itu kita dari pertengahan tahun lalu.
Oh,
Dari pertengahan
jadi
tahun lalu.
kayak Mei.
Iya
Juni,
kayak dari
Juli.
Juni gitulah.
Oke.
Juni terus jedanya nggak sampai 6 bulan sih. Sorry. Maksudnya maybe sebulan 2 bulan gitu jedanya.
Oke.
The preview terus habis itu syuting lagi episode 2 pokoknya kita sampai episode 5 syutingnya promo.
Oke, wow, that's
And then udah habis itu kenapa kita nggak jadi stripping waktu itu langsung karena ibu ngerjain Durian Jatuh dulu.
iya, karena itu baru keluar juga kan.
Iya, karena this is the fun fact about Asmar Genzi. Ini nggak tahu boleh di-spill apa nggak, tapi kayak udahlah ya, udah tayang juga. Jadi kenapa sinetron bisa terjadi? Karena dulu waktu Om Diva, terus Tante Nining sama ibu lagi mau meeting buat Durian Jatuh, yang ada yang nyeletuk, gue lupa siapa yang nyeletuk kayak.
Itu apa sih?
Nyeletuk tuh kayak shout out tiba-tiba ngomong.
Oh.
Itu kayak bikin sinetron remaja yuk.
Oh iya.
Tuh, ya. Bikin sinetron remaja yuk. Ini as I remember ya.
Iya.
Terus katanya, ayo. Ya udah cari Gi pemainnya, castingin gitu-gitu segala macem.
Mampus. Nasty.
Terus itu tuh pas mereka mau meeting sama orang WTV buat Durian Jatuh. Makanya mereka ngerjain Durian Jatuh dulu baru ke kita.
Yeah, of course. Karena
Gitu.
secara ini ya.
Terjadilah sinetron ini dan turns out booming. Alhamdulillah. Gitu. Jadi
welcome.
yes, dan kita syutingnya tuh pindah-pindah jauh-jauh men.
Sebelumnya.
Ya kita awal syuting hari pertama itu di Puncak.
What?
Di Puncak. Terus untuk ngambil set itu tuh buat set kamar ya. Set kamar dan lain-lainnya. Set sekolahnya, bangunan sekolahnya itu di Cikarang.
Wow.
That's crazy, right?
Wow, respect.
Crazy. That was crazy, ya.
Respect.
Terus akhirnya baru kita syuting di pas stripping baru di Cibubur. Ya, punya Fatah itu. Baru Cibubur. Gitu. Tapi kalian mau nggak jadi anak SMA?
Mau, gue tuh mau anjir. Cuman kayaknya gue ketuaan, gila.
Ya jelas lah.
With my facial hair and shit. Pengen gue. Tapi kayaknya yang possible Valeri doang.
Oh iya.
Ingin nggak pertama kali kita ketemu? Pas casting lu jadi siapa? Principal. Yang itu. Ingat nggak? Pertama kali aku ketemu dia. Pertama kali gua ketemu dia kita casting bareng di SJ. Jadi principal.
Dapat jadi principal.
Dia jadi ketua sekolah anjay.
Kepala sekolah.
Kepala sekolah, sorry.
God damn.
That's crazy. Yeah, I mean.
You are that old man.
Tapi lucunya gini, Matthew pertama kali ketemu, like you are so quiet and fair enough, ya.
Yeah, he is.
I was quiet as well. And the first word dia bilang ke aku was the first word he ever said to me was whore.
We were supposed to say it together.
Sorry, I
Dia
didn't.
nanya,
Apa?
cabai-cabian tuh apa? Terus gue langsung jawab,
Horse.
Host.
Gitu, dia ini aku nggak nanya ke dia directly by the way.
Nggak nanya.
Aku nanya ke everyone just in general. Cabai-cabian itu apa ya? Dia lihat ke aku dead center in the eye. Horse. I'm like, alright. Thank you, man.
yeah, I was like, Educate yourself.
Educate yourself.
Ya, gitu.
Ya,
Amin lah.
tapi kayak
Aduh, apa?
sorry, you look like an educated person. No offense, dude. Like kosong gitu, man.
Hampa dia tuh.
Everything came from you. It's all about game,
Iya.
anime,
Iya.
and all of nerd stuff.
I've never said nerds are smart. First of all, second of all, but
Huh?
what anime have I even talked about with you guys?
I don't know, like
The vibe.
the vibe. I told you,
Lo nggak perlu ngomong itu deh, Bon.
kayak every time I ask you about something in game or maybe like kayak tadi tuh you watch
Balatro.
K-pop
Okay.
Demon Hunter.
Oh,
You watch it? No, right?
Hell no.
Oh my god, K-pop Demon Hunter is good.
Devon. Don't
Open your
Don't-
fucking
don't imagine yourself.
diversity,
Jangan
bro.
malu-maluin lo sendiri.
Harus diverse, kalian tuh harus diverse, nggak nonton bokep aja ya, nonton something kayak
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
a bit of
That's crazy.
K-pop
That's
Demon
fitnah. That's
Hunters,
fitnah.
but at the same time juga nonton good movies like I don't know.
We do
like-
watch good movies,
Yeah,
but
yeah, no,
not
no.
that kind of movies.
Itu jelek deh.
You guys need to open your eyes, buka mata
Wait.
kalian, ngentot.
Open your legs.
Batanya si babi satu ini.
I do, bro.
Masa mereka nggak nonton K-pop Demon Hunter?
Yo, I do love watch animated movies,
Yeah, there you go. Alright.
but not that kind movies.
You need
like-
to open your eyes, man.
No,
Buka
it's-
matamu.
I can show you the world.
It's like,
I do love watch anime, by the way, but
nah mana?
Before that-
Kita ya.
for that type of movie, nah.
Damn, alright.
I don't know ya, tapi
Okay.
if I watch it, maybe
It's
I
like
can
Big
like
Hero
it.
6. It's similar to Big Hero 6.
Nice, nice.
It is. Well,
No.
Have you seen it? No, you haven't.
Big Hero 6 had a special place in our heart.
Yeah, no, I agree.
As a childhood, it's a childhood movie, bro.
Yeah. I agree. Big Hero 6 is awesome. I'm not saying it's worse than K-pop. I think Big Hero 6 is better. It's like Big Hero 6, but for girls. Alright?
Oh, for girls?
For girls?
That's insane. That's insane.
That's insane.
Gender now? Kalau kasih gender gitu. That's crazy. Cancel.
Cancel.
Arahnya ke cewek.
Cancel.
God
That's-
damn,
Doesn't
Devon.
help you, Devon. No.
Bro,
That's insane.
what do you mean?
Sexist.
You sexist.
Bruh.
Look how much earrings you use. 3 each. Oh no.
Ah, no.
Oh no, left.
Oh, no.
No, I used to use itu juga,
Oh ya?
tapi tutup.
Why?
Tutup. Karena syuting ini kan gue SMA nggak boleh pakai.
Oh ya.
Terus kayak gue udah capek, anting gue hilang mulu.
Iya.
Terus kayak udahlah, anjing ntar gue bisa ninik lagi udah, gampang.
Gue pengen lebih banyak aslinya. But maksudnya kalau earrings everyone's like, don't get too much. You can take off earrings. It's you can take them off.
Yes, you can, but piercing and tattooing, it's addictive.
Absolutely, it is. Yeah.
Do you want to get tattoo?
Yeah, but like whenever I'm done with acting,
Fuck, is it enjoy?
Yeah.
enjoying it out.
Yeah, down,
Panah.
down here. They enjoy the meal.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, thank you for watching us
Thank you guys.
yapping today.
We yappers.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe my
Like,
channel.
comment, share, subscribe channelnya.
Yes.
Yes.
Your social media.
Follow my YouTube as well, karena aku juga lakuin YouTube, Devon Luka. And follow my others, Devon Luka, semuanya Devon Luka. Ini kalau kalian mau cari gue, Devon Luka.
Alright.
IG, TikTok, Matthew Kanevan.
Tapi nggak wajib.
Wajib banget.
Nah,
Wajib.
So Upin Ipin, bro. Okay. Thank you for watching. Say Tobrut.
Tombrut.
Yeah.
Tobrut, yes.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.